Check out the new 279 CDV monitor from ASUS.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everybody, Grant Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to NAB 2026. We're here in the ASUS booth, and this is my new friend Carlo to walk us through the monitor on our right. Carlo, what are we looking at here?
So yes, this is our new PA279CDV. This is what we're showcasing in NAB this year.
So walk us through some of the specs here. Is this a 4K monitor? Is it OLED? What can you tell us about it?
So yes, this is our new 4K OLED monitor. The refresh rate on this one's going to be 120 Hertz, 1000 nits peak brightness as well. Color accuracy for this one, it's going to be 99% DCI-P3, 100% sRGB, and as well as the Delta E will be 1.5. Delta E will be less than 1.5. It is Kalman verified as well. And also Adobe Premiere just tested and verified it as well. And it's really good for HDR use.
Can you tell me a little bit about just the inputs and outputs on the back? I mean, I'm assuming HDMI, USB?
Yes, good question. So for our inputs on this one, it will have USB-C with 96 watts of power output, so that if you have a laptop, it could charge your laptop easily. Also, it will have DisplayPort 1.4, so it with daisy chain as well, and it also have HDMI.
And I understand this is aimed primarily at post-production, or do you see this being used in the field as well?
So it's aimed more for like photographers. It's also aimed for like videographers.
Anyone who wants color accuracy? Yes,
for color accuracy. Also with the 120 Hertz as well. It is good for video or game developers. So if you want to test things out, it has a smooth VRR or refresh rate basically.
So Carlo, tell me a little bit more about this application that's open here. I understand you can change the display settings. What types of settings can you change?
Okay, so for our display widget center, we do support it with our Mac OS and Windows as well. And also you can change settings and presets like color settings or brightness, basically any
sharpness. I see some sharpness.
Yes. Yep.
Black levels. A lot of different things you can change there.
Exactly.
And that's great because I don't have to dive into the menu on the monitor itself. That all seems a lot faster with the sliders.
It is going to be more convenient as well. Yes.
So what else should we know about this monitor? I understand you also have a couple other monitors here that you're showing off as well that are brand new for the show.
Yes, so we do have our PA27 and 32 USD as well. So those are like our high-end, like top-of-the-line models that we have. So those one will come with like SDI. It also comes with like a calibrator built in as well in those. So we do have different usage for any use case you have for our lineup for ProArt.
Carlo, what are those little sensors I see in the bottom left of the monitor? What do those do?
So yeah, it has, we do have two sensors here. So it's the proximity sensor as well as our light sensor as well. So what it does for the proximity sensor is that it detects when you go stepped out. Since it's QD-OLED, a lot of people have concerns with burn-in. So when you step out, it automatically dims or it turns off the monitor, and it also senses back, or it turns back on when you step back to your desk. And that can be controlled through the OSD. And then for the light sensor, it adjusts the light brightness as well as the colors for, depending on the light on your workspace.
Well, Carlo, thank you so much for walking us around a few of the new monitors here at ASUS. Pricing and availability for this one on my right here.
So pricing will be announced by around June timeframe, as well as availability as well. It will be around June. For the pricing, we can't say anything yet until June, but it will be a very competitive price for sure.
Okay, so pricing TBD, available early summer. Yeah. So pricing TBD, available early summer. Carlo, thank you so much for walking us around some of the new monitors here at the ASUS booth at NAB 2026. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.